how to make a post on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can make or create a post on Instagram. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me go through quick through this video. In order to create a post on Instagram, what you want to do is first you want to go ahead and open up Instagram. Now here I'm on iPhone, but the process is pretty similar on Android as well. On your Android device, you'll get the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. However, on your iOS device, you'll get the message icon here, as you can see. Now that might be the most probable reason why most of you guys are on this video. Now to create a post on iOS, you can tap on the plus icon at the top beside the log icon, the notifications icon. You can see the plus icon, tap on it, and now you can go ahead and create the post. Whether you want to create a reel, whether you want to create a post, you can simply select it and then tap on next, and then go ahead and add some filters if you wish to here. You can add music and then create the post and tap on next and go ahead and upload it. This is how you can easily create a post on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.